Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an install, a U-part wig install from Nadula hair. I really love this hair. It looks really nice and natural. I'm absolutely in love. First, let's get to twerking. Hey, okay, so this hair is from Nadula hair. I'll link everything down below. It comes with a wig cap, some lashes. These were actually good, which was weird. And some clips, which these came in handy. You will need these. And I also got a scarf. And the hair, it smelled a little bad, but it was okay. But like, girl, wash it. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist the side of my hair that I want out. I stopped wearing lace front wigs because it really started messing up my hairline and taking off my edges and just clogging my pores, and I didn't want to do that, so I decided to let my big forehead breathe and just, embrace it. I'm gonna braid this little braid where my leave out's gonna be so that I can hook the braids on there or hook the clips on there, and then I'm just gonna braid the rest of my hair. You can tell that my hair, like my scalp, just needed to breathe from wearing lace fronts all the time. Like my scalp was really dry. I'm gonna cut those strings off. Don't know why they were there. And then I'm just gonna clip them onto those small braids that I braided next to my leave out. Mind you, these are not small braids, but small like cornrows. And then the twist that I did, I'm just gonna unbraid that and have my leave out on the sides out as well. That way it can cover it from looking like a wig. I'm going to go ahead and sew it down just so it can be a little bit more permanent versus taking it off every day. I'd rather just do that to take it off weekly. And this is how it is being a single mom with a baby while you're trying to look cute. Like he doesn't want that from me. So I'm just going to sew that down some more. And I'm literally sewing down the top where my leave out is going to be so that it's flattened. And then I'm going to sew the back of my hair that way. Just in case somebody want to fight, I can go. I'm just kidding. Violence is never the answer. But so I'm sewing that down as well. Just in case if I want to pull my hair up and wear a band, it's not bulky. I went ahead and blow dried my hair. Do not laugh if I get to blow dryer. But I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. This is also another reason why it's hard to do YouTube videos. Don't worry, my love. I'm bringing the Merc. Oh, he's Go to sleep, baby. Mommy has to do her edges. This Shine Jam conditioning gel. Don't use this one if you have like really thick edges. I suggest the Boost for natural hair. That one will hold your edges down. This one did for me, but it didn't last long. I would use this for more of like braiding hair and it to look seamless when you are braiding hair like individuals. My baby just loves his mama. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my edges back and not do too much to my edges, just to make it look really nice and natural. I'm gonna spray some Got To Be glue because I knew that was not gonna hold my edges. And after I sprayed that, I'm just gonna fan it so it can cool off a little bit so it's not too sticky on my headband or my scarf. And I'm using a silk scarf because my natural hair is out now. And I'm just gonna tie it down and make sure everything is nice and tight. I just wand curled my hair together with the hair just so it flows more natural and be nice and have volume. I put them in little twists And then I realized the twists were not going to give me the braid or the curl that I wanted. I went ahead and braided my hair with the wig, and I did tight braids. That way my braids, I did nice tight braids. That way my hair is nice and curly and has volume and just looks really nice and natural for the next day. I tie the edges or the tips so it does not unravel. And I just go ahead back with that and scarf and tie my hair down and then put a bonnet on. And that's it. Good night. Love you.